I'm James Hart. I'm the Learning Support Officer at Mon CF. Mon CF is part of the Communities First programme. The cluster on Anglesey covers 5 areas of Holyhead and 1 area in Llangefni. We work with the community in the poorest areas of the towns, working with people, getting them job ready, getting them into work wherever possible, and supporting them through a wide variety of activities. I think the overall impression from the team is that they feel more comfortable, maybe more empowered now to help people. They have the skills there to do it and deliver. They know how to access information to help them, and information then that will be able to pass on to our clients. And being more relaxed and being able to help people is really, really important to us and obviously to our clients. With obviously government changes and being able to access things online is now vital. Being able to look at benefits, being able to get the best deals for things, looking on comparison websites, looking for car insurance, home insurance, looking for information and things to help just the day-to-day lives. People helping children out with homeworks is all now online. Especially, local schools now are looking at apps for homeworks to put how to use the internet to be able to get onto those apps. But it is a vital tool to the community that they need to get online and understand once they're online how to use it. There's lots of varying different people that we've helped, but there was some people that we've helped. One gentleman we helped manage to scan in his certificate, get his CV all typed up and ready for him. We sent it off that day. He came back to see us the next day and basically told us if it hadn't gone off that day and without the help he would have missed out getting a 6 months contract because he was unable to use computers. But with our help he managed to get online. We assisted him through that and he managed to get the job and is now working away for 6 months.